We're on lesson 42, and it's on page 139. And it's just going to be symbols of inclusion like parentheses, brackets, that kind of thing. So we always have to remember that we're using this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division from left to right, and addition, subtraction from left to right. All right, so 42.1 says 4 plus 3 times 5, and then it's times 2. It doesn't matter that the 2 is on this side. It still means multiplication when it's written right next to the parentheses. Plus 2, parentheses, 15 minus 3. So we're going to simplify within the parentheses first. So 4 plus 3 times 5 is 15. And that'll be times 2. Plus 2 times 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay, so now we do the multiplications and division. There isn't any division, so this will be 4 plus 15 times 2 is 30. Plus 2 times 12 is 24. And now all we have is addition, so you can add in whichever order you want. 24 and 4 is 28, and 30 would be 58. Okay, so the next one is 8 parentheses 20 minus 3 parentheses minus 17 minus 11 plus 3 parentheses with that 2 right next to it, which again means multiplication, and then plus 5. So this is 8 times 17 minus 17 minus 11 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9, and that'll have to be multiplied by 2. So now we do the multiplications. 8 times 7 is 56, and 5 would be 136, minus 18 plus 5. So then 136 minus 18, 16 minus 8 is 8, 2 minus 1, so 118 plus 5, that'd be 123. All right. Next, we add brackets. So 24 minus 2 bracket, and don't ever think that you can subtract 24 minus 2 to start with. Absolutely not. This 2 has to be multiplied by what comes out of that bracket. So then we have 5 minus 2, and then 14 minus 12, and then plus 3, and then the bracket. So we're going to go to the innermost bracket or parentheses and work our way out. So in other words, we're going to do this and this first. So everything else is going to stay the same. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 14 minus 12 is 2. Now we're simplifying within the bracket. That's still considered a parentheses. So within the bracket, we'll do this multiplication. So 24 minus 2, 3 times 2 is 6. Now to simplify the bracket, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 24 minus 2 bracket 9. And then 24 minus 2 times 9 is 18. And 24 minus 18 is 6. All right. Okay, now turn over to page 140. Couple more. So this one is 33 minus 2 bracket 3 parentheses 3 plus 12 minus bracket 5 times 2 parentheses 3, bracket. So we got a lot to do in here before we can come outside of that bracket. So we have 33 minus 2, bracket, 3. 3 plus 12 is 15, minus 5 times 2 is 10, times the 3. Bring down the 33 minus 2. We're just not there yet. 3 times 15 is 45, minus 10 times 3 is 30. Almost. 33 minus 2. And 45 minus 30 is 15. And we have 33 minus 2 times 15 is 30. And finally, 33 minus 30 is 3. All that for 3. Okay, next one. Not so many parentheses, just depending on you using this again. 5 plus 12 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4 minus 2 parentheses 5 minus 2. All right, so parentheses are first. 5 plus 12 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4 minus 2 times 3. Okay, we took care of parentheses. There are no exponents, so we're going to do multiplication and division in order from left to right. Okay, so 5 stays the same, plus 12 divided by 2 is 6, plus 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 3 is 6. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to notice, as I was writing this, I noticed it, but we have a plus 6 and a minus 6. So we might as well just cancel them out. And all that's left then is 5 plus 12, which is 17. Now, if you can imagine, if you tried your own little rendition of order of operations, how many different answers you could come up with. So that's why we have to have this standard order of operations. This is it, always. This isn't going to ever change. It's always going to be the universal order of operations. That's a nice thing about math, is everybody's going to work it the same way. Okay, guys, have a good day. We do have a test tomorrow. So tomorrow when you come in, you can just count the number of problems you've done and turn them in, and then take the test. Okay, have a great day.